45.
Do this. Here, put that. Oh yeah, you do that. Boom. And boom goes the dynamite. Favorite YouTube video of all time, go. Scarlett takes a tumble.
Charlie.
That hurt. That really hurt, Charlie.
Camila. What's up?
Cozy.
We got a double lap. We're probably
Double
splitting
lap?
the viewers. I should let him go. Let him go.
It doesn't matter. We can both. Whatever. It's all good. How do we look?
We look good.
You look good, man. Like a pile of hell.
What's up, guys?
All right. I'm thinking about a number.
What should we do?
I'm thinking about a number between 1 and 10. Go.
3.
Nope.
7.
Nope.
Well, all I know is that
There he is. Rory.
in 5 minutes they have to go to the. Is that right?
We're launching a video or something,
We
right?
got something going on.
Something like that.
5 minutes.
You guys gotta go check it out. Check it out.
We never looked more Canadian. I feel like we both have flannels on, tank top.
What's the most Canadian thing you've ever done?
Sing a song with Justin Bieber. I remember when like the first time I met you, you like immediately challenged me to play hockey.
Oh yeah.
And I'm actually really bad at hockey. That's like
But you made me believe that you were actually
Well,
good.
I have to, because it's like if you can't like, it's like the one thing I had to lie about in life was that I actually am good at hockey. But coming clean now at 22, I'm
You're
not good at
good.
hockey. No, I can
Yeah.
skate okay. But you're actually good. Camila said, "Have you ever eaten your booger, Shawn?" Yeah. Or Justin? Yeah. of
Have I
course.
ever eaten my boogers? Do I look like a freaking idiot? Of course I have.
If you haven't eaten your booger, this is the truth. 1, you're lying, or 2, you just don't remember.
Have you ever stuck it under your desk when you're in school?
I've stuck it everywhere. I flicked it.
Whoa.
Okay.
Whoa, everywhere. Dear God.
Do you
What a
ever,
life,
do you
man.
ever read these comments?
A little bit. It's just so hard to follow. We always got Brazil.
I guess
now,
if we
so-
had one moment on live together, we'd want to say how much we love everyone.
Totally.
We talk about this all the time, how blessed we are,
1,000,000,000%.
and we love you guys, and we just
Absolutely.
we know this is like been an insane year for everyone, and
Mm-hmm.
it's a hard and like dark time. So we're just sending love out to all of you guys.
Yep.
We love
Well
you,
said.
Eddie Benjamin,
Well
so
said.
talented.
So talented. The sickest.
You got lo-fi beats playing in the bus.
You know?
Come on.
Just setting a vibe.
Isn't that a vibe? Yeah, so guys, in
3 minutes?
3 minutes,
3
go to YouTube live,
Fire.
and we're gonna be there. Not sure what we're gonna do, but we're gonna do something.
We'll figure out something fun. Should we end it here?
We should hop off so that they have time to get
Yeah.
off.
Yeah,
Go on YouTube. What is
Which
it called?
YouTube? Mine or his?
Shawn's
Go
YouTube.
to my YouTube. Go to Shawn's YouTube.